Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off Smart Shuffle on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Spotify, then click on your profile icon on the top left. Then you want to go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're on here, near the top you should see Playback, so you want to click on that. And if you scroll down, underneath Listening Controls, you should see Enable All Play Modes. So this just means, when enabled, you can select from Linear, Shuffle and Smart Shuffle play modes on your playlist. Turn it off to remove the Smart Shuffle option. So obviously all you'll need to do is just toggle that off, and that'll turn off Smart Shuffle on Spotify. Thanks for watching.